As she mentioned, students in Prince George's County will not be returning to the classrooms in the fall.
We put our kids first, you know what I mean? So I'm 100% behind that.
I've been playing football since I was 8 years old. It's just something that I've always, like an escape for me from like all my real life problems, whatever the case may be.
I understand the inconvenience that it makes and plays on families.
You want a hybrid, and he's saying no.
When I think of COVID-19, I think of sadness.
For the 2020-2021 school year, Prince George's County Public Schools will begin our school year on August 31st with a distance learning model.
I want to let you know, all right? I love you. Coaches love you. And you ain't heard it from anybody else today. You won't hear it tonight.
I really respect Coach Powell and the program that he's built. He doesn't want to just make you a football player, he wants to make you a better man.
I would say Flowers is really a family. Like, I really love Flowers football.
Ready, move, ready, ready, move, ready, ready, move.
You watching PG13, Flowers edition.
I miss, like, basically just interaction, just being around people in general. Just basically been at home for the past 6 months now. Miss competing every day in practice and whatnot, things of that nature. I think that it is hard, like, to really wrap my mind around it. Like, sometimes I'll sit and I'll think and I'll just be like, wow, like, that's crazy how this is really the reality that we live in today. I was looking forward to all the experiences like senior night and homecoming, all that good stuff. And there's a possibility that I might not get that. So I'm not gonna lie, it hurts. It's a very uncertain time that we're in right now, but like the saying that we're using right now is that if we stay ready, we don't have to get ready. So we don't want to get lackadaisical, complacent, get lazy, and keep working at it for the season that we're hopeful to have in the spring.
Cephas, man, hard, very hard worker, never have any issues, lovable guy, excellent in the classroom, excellent on the football field. That young man is going to be something special.
Yeah, a lot of states, like, it's only like, I want to say between 5 and 6. Right, it's only between 5 and 10 states that's not playing. Everybody else playing. I seen in Vermont, they thinking about doing just 7-on-7.
The last 5 months, ever since COVID hit, I would say, was just real rough. Like, a lot of like time for you to just realize like who you are. I think it's sadness because it's sad to know that the year 2020, it's been at least 100,000 of people that's dead now. The fact that somebody in my family had to get corona for me to really like look at corona and say, wow, this is real, like it hit me hard. She had a cold and then she went to the hospital and everybody thought she was just gonna come back just like a regular cold, a regular sickness cold, because you know, you go to the hospital, get some medicine, you be good. So it turns out she was in the hospital for like 3 days, and once those 3 days passed, she passed.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing good. If I'm gonna be honest, I wouldn't say I'm doing good, but I'm getting by.
Understand he has some challenges at home. Understand he has a lot going on in his life. He's not scared to come to us, and that's why I love him.
Coach Powell, like he really means a lot to me because Coach Powell, every day, like he's an administrator and he's a coach at the same time. So like he's really like building men.
We're going in with the mindset that we're going to get every student athlete into school, whether they plan or not.
I just like stay optimistic about it. I kind of try to be positive about it. I don't try to let a lot of negative thoughts get to me because I'm in a blessed spot that a lot of people are not in. I got a couple schools that want me. There's people that don't have that.
Like it's sad, but at the end of the day, I know I got to keep pushing because I got goals I'm trying to accomplish. I got goals I got somewhere I'm trying to be.
Coming up on PG13, Distance Learning 2.0.
So you got your Chromebook. I'm really looking forward to what learning looks like when you've taken away the bricks and mortar.
This is where I plan to do the majority of my work. Right now I'm teaching my Algebra 1 Science and Tech class. Is that a variable?
Everyone digs in for the academic journey.
All right, let's go. You got 2 things I need you to do.
We go through it to make sure their grades on their transcript matches up to the NCAA.
You watching PG13, Loud Edition.
Keep up with all episodes of PG13 on PGCPS social media platforms.